Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering gear and placing the Wii where the sensor bar has a clear line to the remote. First, plug the power adapter into the Wii and the wall, then connect AV or HDMI to the TV and select the matching input. Make sure the sensor bar is securely positioned above or below the screen and insert fresh AA batteries into your Wii remote. Once done, press the Wii power button. You'll see the system menu load, which confirms power and video are working. You should follow the on-screen prompts to choose language, region, and connect to Wi-Fi. This enables system updates and online features. Next, sync your Wii remote by opening the SD slot cover, pressing the red sync button on the console, then on the remote. Repeat for additional remotes. Make a MII or select a user channel so saves link correctly, and configure parental controls if required. Once updated, the system will restart. Make sure updates complete fully to avoid corrupted installs. You finish by testing a game or channel. Insert a disk or open downloaded content and confirm motion and button inputs respond. If motion feels off, calibrate the sensor bar by adjusting its distance and switching it between top and bottom of the TV. Make sure no reflective surfaces interfere. If controllers fail, re-sync them, replace batteries, and power cycle the Wii. Often that resolves connection or input issues. If video is blank, verify TV input and cables, then try a different AV/.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.